As we take a look now at your Pinpoint weather and traffic together, clear sailing on this Friday, but Michelle is tracking some new developments for our Saturday.
Yeah, I made some changes to the weekend forecast, Danielle, based on some of the latest data I've been getting in overnight and now early this morning on an ocean storm that may end up tracking closer to us, giving us the potential for some accumulating snow. Now, right now, we're not finding any of that. What we do have out overhead, some fog. So the top weather headlines, it's a pretty nice finish to the work week. Once we get through the fog this morning, nice mild afternoon. It's a very tricky weekend forecast. The computer models have been changing all week with where exactly and when and how this storm system forms, and now starting to hone in on that track closer to us, giving us the potential for accumulating snow. Here's CityCam right now. We've been melting away the blizzard snowfall over the last few days, and we're going to do that again today. Some reduced visibility in Providence, right around 30 degrees. Taunton still in the 20s. Newport at 35. New Bedford's out of the 20s, now around 30. Again, increasing humidity and that southwest wind bringing in that mild air has brought in the fog, which is reducing our visibilities in spots. Now, we're still at a mile or two westerly up to Providence, mile and a half in Smithfield, and about 2.5 to 3 miles for Aquidneck Island, and heading east into Fall River and in New Bedford. That fog should be out of here for the afternoon. We're looking at high temperatures climbing up to about 47 in Newport, 49 Hope Valley. I think a mixture of sunshine and clouds for the afternoon, a partly to mostly sunny day. Certainly more melting with these temps in Cumberland, Burrillville, and Foster Center well into the 40s. It's not out of the question, maybe a spot or two to hit 50 degrees. I'm generally forecasting us in the upper 40s, though. New Bedford, Taunton, Fall River, mild, mostly sunny. Middletown, around 47. All right, let's talk about this weekend storm potential. So the track, the intensity of it, it's still not set in stone here, folks, even on a Friday, and we're talking about late Saturday. I'm thinking more Saturday night into Sunday morning now. First scenario would be a closer track. This is the one that our computer model is now starting to lean towards, maybe just outside of this 40-70 benchmark that we watch on our latitude and longitude lines. That would bring some snow into our area. The track further away would keep less snow, maybe even no accumulating snow into our area. And there are computer models out there that still show this scenario too. However, the majority of our computer models now leaning towards at least some accumulations and possibly some moderate accumulations. So this is a very early take on the snowfall, and certainly this is not written in stone yet, but about 3 to 6 inches of snow possible based on the latest information I'm looking at, and the bulk of those accumulations would fall again Saturday night into the first part of the day on Sunday. I do want to show you the 7-day Futurecast right now, and we're looking at again a dry day today, about 49 degrees, down to 29 tonight. If you're headed out tonight, no troubles for you. Again, for the weekend, we're talking about especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. I think light rain and snow showers possible on Saturday daytime, but then turning heavier overnight with that snow ending on Sunday. Check back in for updates. Sunday, Monday, both going to be windy. I think visibility will go up as our storm system winds down on Sunday midday or early afternoon, and then on Monday, dry and cold for your President's Day. Wind chills may dip into the single digits on Sunday as winds gust as high as 35, even 45 miles per hour by Sunday evening. Make sure, check in with Tony tonight. He's going to be looking at data. We'll all be looking and analyzing data that will be coming in throughout the day, and he'll have an update for you starting live at 5.